What's up, man?
What's up, man?
How you doing? Good.
Yeah, that's good. First time looking for 450 Lightning?
Yes, sir.
We're actually coming into a launch pad over here.
Okay.
And this vehicle has 583 horsepower with 775 foot-pounds of torque.
Woo.
So, I usually tell people, whenever you come up to the traffic light and it's ready to turn green, all you just gotta do is just punch it.
Whoa. Holy cow. Oh, man. And that thing books.
It definitely will.
Holy cow.
So yeah, and it's crazy. Like, you know, the fact that it can go that fast, and on top of that too, it can still power up a house to up to like 3 days.
Holy
so
cow.
if you have an extended range battery for the truck, this is going to be the perfect truck for you as well.
That is awesome.
Oh yeah.
Awesome.
Right.
Well, I appreciate the ride, man. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
That thing freaking books. That's quick. Wasn't expecting that out of a pickup truck. I don't know if I really like EV, but that was impressive. All right, you guys, we're checking out the Lightning up close in person since we got a ride in it. Just kind of wanted to get close to it, see how it looks like inside. Slow down, show you guys the interior here. And we already know that I fit in the passenger seat at least, but seat moves all the way back, which is nice. Hop on in. Got plenty of space because it's a pickup truck. Got a gigantic infotainment center right in the middle here. This shifter, super weird. I don't understand that at all. Not really a fan of that. It's got a little cubby down here with some charging ports, your cup holders. It's got a gigantic screen up here. Shows us how much percentage and mileage of range we have. So 99% charge is 242 miles. This particular model only has 183 miles on it. Not too bad. But the inside looks like an F-150. I mean, it's nothing crazy or fancy. They just have the giant screen and it's electric. Let's go check out the frunk. And here's where you put all the groceries. Up here in the frunk. Nice little storage cubby right there. Whoop, try not to break anything. Your windshield wiper fluid, that's very important. But yeah, that's got quite a bit of space. So a decent frunk. And yeah, I mean, I don't know what else to say. We've seen a bajillion electric cars already. I wish they would have paid homage to the original Lightning and just done a supercharged V8, but I understand why they couldn't. So everything's going electric now, and that's just kind of the way it is. Someone just got finished with their ride.